Welcome back to the Car Blitz. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2026 Isuzu Trooper, a vehicle that's been making waves in the SUV market. With its legendary nameplate making a triumphant return, the Trooper promises to blend rugged capability with modern sophistication. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast, a family adventurer, or someone who simply appreciates a well-rounded SUV, the 2026 Trooper is here to impress. So, let's buckle up and explore everything this vehicle has to offer. Let's start with the exterior design because, let's face it, first impressions matter. The 2026 Isuzu Trooper boasts a bold, muscular stance that pays homage to its heritage while embracing contemporary aesthetics. The front end is dominated by a signature grille that's both aggressive and refined, flanked by sharp LED headlights that not only look great but also provide exceptional visibility at night. Step inside and explore the interior. The 2026 Isuzu Trooper offers a cabin that's both luxurious and practical, designed to cater to your every need. The moment you open the door, you're greeted by premium materials, soft touch surfaces, and an ergonomic layout that puts everything within easy reach. Tech-wise, the Trooper is packed with features that make every drive more enjoyable. A 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system takes center stage on the dashboard, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Isuzu's intuitive interface. The system is responsive and easy to navigate, ensuring you stay connected no matter where you are. Under the hood, the 2026 Trooper is powered by a turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine that delivers an impressive 280 horsepower and 320 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with a smooth shifting 10-speed automatic transmission, ensuring that power is delivered seamlessly to all four wheels. Whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling rugged terrain, the Trooper's performance is nothing short of impressive. The engine provides plenty of low-end torque, making it easy to accelerate from a standstill or overtake slower vehicles on the highway. And thanks to its advanced suspension system, the Trooper offers a comfortable ride, even on rough roads. The 2026 Isuzu Trooper is more than just an SUV, it's a statement. With its rugged capability, modern tech, and timeless design, it's ready to redefine your driving experience. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast, a family adventurer, or someone who simply appreciates a well-rounded vehicle, the Trooper has something for everyone. So, what do you think? Is the Trooper the ultimate adventure companion? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the road.